Hi guys, sorry for a late weekly report. I'm not home and therefore I haven't had a chance to record this video, but now it's here, so let's go over the results for week 25. So I will switch over here to my FX book and show you the results for week 25. So as you can see on my FX book, we actually did our first week with a minus result. So during week 25 we did 0.31% minus. That's not too good, not what we expected, but we know that this can happen sometimes, and there is no big concern from our side. We are actually having a good drawdown situation, and as we focus on risk management, we don't see any danger whatsoever. If we go over to the results for June, I will just change here custom analysis, and from the 1st June to today we can see that we are actually 2.10% in plus for June, so that's good. However, you can see that we have a drawdown of 9.23%, and that's the highest drawdown we ever had. And the reason for this is actually, let me see if I can see this here. If we go to trades and open trades, we have a series of trades in Swiss franc against Japanese yen that has been going against us for a while, as you can see, and we are waiting for it to come down again, and time is like on our side because we have a long way to reach the drawdown there where we will be nervous, so to say. So the maximum has been 9.83%, was it? And we have a hard stop at 25%. Then we will close our trades and we will start over. But there's a long way there. So let's hope this week goes better, and the next one as well. Keep your faith to us, and we will probably solve this issue. So this is the results for week 25 and so far in June. And remember, a minus or a plus is not a minus or a plus until the trade is closed. Okay, that's very important to know. So with that, I want to thank you for this week's results, and we see you in the next results video. Take care. Bye.